Welcome to the next session on engineering mechanics. In this session, we will solve another numerical on the topic of centroid. You can see here we have to find the centroid of the shaded area which is shown here. So the first thing that we will do is we will first copy this diagram. So here we have the y-axis and the x-axis. This is the outer rectangle shown, and inside there is a semicircle. We have to find centroid of this shaded zone. So I will divide this into an outer rectangle. So this is my first one, and inner semicircle is the second part. So for the outer one, this is my origin. This is my half the distance. Now this is 90 and this height is 120. So obviously this is somewhere here. This is my G1, and for the semicircle it will be somewhere over here. This is G2. This gap will be 4r by 3 pi. And these distances are known. This is 240 mm. This height over here is 120 mm. The first column is of the part. Second column is of the area of the part. AI is mm square. You can see here the unit is given in mm. Next we have the coordinates. Xi and yi, both will be in mm. Then we have to calculate ai, xi and ai, yi, both will be in mm cube. So here we'll have the first part as the rectangle. Area is 240 into 120, which makes it to 28800. Coordinates, as we know, for the rectangle is always half, so it is 240 by 2, which makes it to 120, and height is 120 divided by 2 makes it to 60. Then we have to calculate ai into xi. So this value is 3456000, and ai into yi is 1728000. The second shape is the semicircle, for which area is pi r square by 2. So this is subtracted, so it is minus 12723.45. Then we have to calculate xi. This is again symmetric body, so we will have 120 as the answer, 240 by 2. And the next value is for the y. So this gap is 4r by 3 pi. And total height is 120. So it is 120 minus 4r by 3 pi. This value is 81.803. Then you just have to multiply. This is minus 1526814, and this is minus 1040816.38. Then we have to calculate summation of ai, which is 16076.55. We will calculate summation of ai xi, which is 1929186, and summation ai yi is 687183.62. So these are the values that you will get, and this completes the table, then we will find the position of the centroid of the entire body. X bar is summation ai xi upon summation of ai. So you have to divide this value by this value. You get the answer as 120 mm. Y bar is summation ai yi upon summation of ai, which is this value divided by the summation of area. You get the answer as 42.744 mm. Therefore, G x bar comma y bar is 120 comma 42.744 mm. This is the answer. Now, here if you want, you can use the formula of x bar as a1 x1 minus a2 x2 divided by a1 minus a2. And for y bar, you have a1 y1 minus a2 y2 upon a1 minus a2. You will get the same answer. So in case you are just finding out the value of x1, y1, a1, a2, you can directly substitute in this formula and also get the answer. You need not make the table. Making the table just makes it more convenient to just add. But if you don't want to do it, you just want to find the values and substitute and get the answer, that is also well and fine. But you need to mention what all shapes you have taken, that is the parts, which is the first one, which is the second one. And the most important thing here to note is that the unit is in mm. So do not write centimeter or meter by mistake. It is not going to give you the correct answer. The answer's meaning is going to change. So with this, I end the session. I hope you have understood the simple numerical. If you have any doubt, please write to me in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon for latest video updates. See you in the next session. Thank you.